why you are the one, just like me, and needs faith for it to be strong within you.